Okay, so did we do a sky vector one already? Yep. So airports from the sectional charts. Closest airport. Let's go see back to our charts. I don't need this one. I don't need that one. I think we're going to go to this one. Closest airport is Buffalo Airfield. Buffalo Airfield 9GO. Closest airport, Buffalo Airfield 9G, I think it's 0. Magnetic variation and airport elevation. Let's go back so we can find out. Okay, so I should add that in there that we need to right click Buffalo Airfield. Here we go. Buffalo Airfield. There you go. 670 feet MSL. 670 feet MSL. Need magnetic variation. So this thing. Oh yeah, we do have right here. Right click on airport icon. So I think I'm going to like highlight that. I forgot to do that. And we need magnetic variation, so let's go back and see from how do I go back from here? Yeah. So magnetic variation lines. I think this is magnetic variation lines, if we can get out far enough to see what it says. 11 degrees west, and this is 10 degrees west, 11 degrees west, and we're about in the middle from this line to this line, right? We're up here, so like 10.5 degrees west. 5 degrees west. There you go. Runways at Buffalo Airfield, and we want runways, and we want radio frequencies. So here we go. 122.975 is a frequency. I'm going to copy and paste because I already forgot it. Okay, and then we were going back for the runways. Okay, so our runways are 2, 4, and 6. And the traffic patterns are runway 6, nothing, so it's left. Runway 24, nothing said, so it's left. They're both left. Runway 6 and runway 24, both left. Runway 6 and 24, both left patterns. And it's necessary because there's going to be planes flying around, so it's good to know where they're going and what part of the flight path they're in for the air park. So we did that, CTF beacon colors. Let's see what it said. I think it's put questions there, so I'll go back and take a look. ATC phone number. Air traffic control, I think, is out of Cleveland. Yeah, Cleveland air traffic control. Over here. Do they have a phone number for Cleveland? No, I guess I'll just put Cleveland. Buffalo flight service, but it's Cleveland, I think, is the air traffic control. There we go. Controlled, so we have to see if this airport is has a tower. I believe control tower, none, so it is not controlled at any time. None. All right, making progress. I'm going to pause here. And again. Okay, night operations. Let's go to sunrise and sunset. Here we go. Buffalo. Sunrise 7:45 and 4:47. So we have to fly between those times, or we need a beacon. I'm not going to remember that. I'm just going to copy them, put them in. Whoa. Yeah, in the winter time, the days are pretty limited for whoa. PM, AM. All right, so we will not be flying after 4, so no night ops. All right, moving vehicle, not from a moving aircraft. True, we're not going to be flying a drone. I can't fly a drone from an aircraft. Not from moving land, water, vehicle, unless over sparsely populated area. We're not going to be from a moving car or boat or bike. Kind of crazy. Or a roller coaster. Kind of crazy, the FAA regulations, what they put in that. Okay, so flight over humans. No flight over humans unless the humans are part of the flight crew, or they're under a covered structure, or inside a stationary structure. And that's what's current, because this flight over humans category stuff is not in effect yet by the FAA. So no flight over humans. We'll stay away from humans. First person view, we're not using first person goggles. I'd need an observer to do that. Assisted flight modes such as tracking, points of interest, mapping, those kinds of things. We're not doing that. And so we don't need an override method. And now we're into the weather. I'm going to take a pause and I'll be right back.